To be successful in life, you need to build a strong discipline. To get anything you want from this world, you must start with disciplining yourself. Have you ever heard all the successful people talking about their discipline and how they can squeeze 20-25 activities every single day without any breaks, without any days off? So discipline is the key. But tell me the truth. How often when you're trying to replicate sort of discipline, when you decide to lose some weight or to do some new activity and you're like, day one, you're full of energy, you're like, yes, we're doing it, let's go. Day one goes well, day two goes well, day three, it's already like, what am I doing here? And usually after 1 week, day 7, you're like, okay, I'm giving up. Tell me the truth in the comments down below. How many times you started a new activity and after day 7, you just entirely move on? Please let me know. But the funny thing and the insight of this video, about a month ago, guys, I think I cracked the code and I just realized how to build that bloody discipline. I'm lazy as hell myself. I'm always looking for the easiest way and the most pleasant way to live your life. So 30 days ago, about a month ago, it seems like I cracked this discipline code, and in this video I want to share with you how I deal with this. Hi guys, I'm Anna and I'm a psychologist. I'm studying in Cambridge and also I run my relocation agency, helping people like you to move from one country to another and with all possible happiness and successfulness to follow this move. Because as for me, it's so easy just to move from one country to another. It takes about 1 month to do so. But to make sure that you will be actually happy and successful in that country of your choice, that's an art. And this is exactly what I'm helping you with, to make sure that your life in the chosen country will be fantastically happy and fulfilling. But today I really want to share with you this insight about discipline and how finally discipline yourself to do the activities you want. First of all, what is discipline? You can check original definition in any dictionary. But for me, discipline, this is something you're doing every single day, repeatedly for a certain amount of time, and usually you're happy doing it and you know exactly what sort of result eventually this discipline will bring. This is what's discipline for me. If you have a different opinion for discipline, text me in the comment down below. I will be happy to see your opinion. How to squeeze all those major activities in your day, the goals you want to accomplish, and start doing them on a regular basis, like every single day. Lots of research actually shows that if you repeat one action for 28 days, you will form a habit out of it and you will become sort of addictive to doing this thing in a regular basis. I did not believe it, but 30 days ago, you will not believe it now, but actually I started doing something consistently day in and day out, and now I'm on my 27th day and I have 5 activities I am actually performing every single day. I feel happy about it. I'm not getting fed up or demotivated, and I can feel this boost of energy and boost of happiness. I'm just so happy to share it with you. I hope you can sense my positive energy coming from your screen. But first of all, guys, to start this discipline routine, to start disciplining yourself, choose your favorite activity. Yes, right now, think about something you absolutely love doing. It can be reading books, it can be going out to the park, walking in the park, it can be riding your bike, it can be doing squats. I have no idea, like think about something you absolutely love doing. Just one activity you love doing. Just make sure that this activity does not break your health, like, you know what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about going out partying every night and all this, no. I'm talking about cool things like, again, reading, exercising, something you love. But after that, just write it down, this activity, and start repeating it for 21 days. I've heard about this 21 day from many sources. About a month ago, I was so stressed and so panicking about like all my business activities happening, and everything seemed like was not going the way I wanted it to go. And I was like, oh my God, I'm so stressed, I don't know what to do. And all of a sudden, from different sources of information, from YouTube, from some social media, it started like hitting me, this information about bloody meditation. I never believed in this bull, right? So for me, like, meditation, what the hell is that? Like 20 minutes in your day when you already have no time. You also want me to squeeze those 20 minutes just to sit? But you know what? So I decided to challenge myself and do this thing for 21 days. Now I'm on my day 27 and I'm doing it every single day, sometimes even twice a day. And it's shocking. It's absolutely shocking. First of all, what I noticed right away in a few days' time, I became so much calmer. I became calm. I became more relaxed. I improved my sleep big time. And because I improved my sleep, I was able to control my appetite. So in these 21 days, I improved my sleep. I lost some weight. And my life really started getting much better. Just because my mind is calmer and relaxed, magical things started happening to me. So after only 27 days, my initial plan was 21. So my advice, guys, take any habit you like. It can be meditation. It can be walking outside, going to the park. It can be reading. It can be anything you like. Just do this consistently for 21 days. And you know what's gonna happen? The first few days you will be so much enjoying this. Think, yes, I'm doing it. But when it's day 7, when it's day 10, when it's day 12, and your brain like doesn't understand why I'm doing it. Like it doesn't give me anything. I don't feel any result. I don't feel any effect. Just don't drop. Don't stop. Keep doing it for these 21 days. And after that, you can add on another habit and do the same thing for 21 more days. And starting from your most favorite activities, but doing them consistently, it will give a lot of dopamine in your brain. You will believe that if you can do something for a consistent amount of 21 days, you can do basically anything you want and turn it from funny activity into your actual habit. Example, if you manage to read even your favorite book for 21 days, it means that if your next goal is to go to the gym or to exercise within the same 21 day, you can also accomplish it. Everything starts with small things. Start with your favorite thing, do it for 21 days, and after that start increasing the level of complexity, and eventually you will come to the point that things like studying a new language, going to the gym, exercising, going to bed at the same time, it will become that habit you would develop only in 21 days. Like, you got nothing to lose. If you're watching this video now, most probably you feel like me, that you feel lost in your life and things are not going well the way you planned them to go. So you've got nothing to lose. Try it for 21 days. Do it consistently. And if it doesn't work, just come back to me and say, hey, with your bull speed, stop doing it. It didn't work. Just do it for 21 days. Quick example, if you really feel stressed, if you cannot sleep, if you have any difficulties at work, 1 month ago, I would throw stone at me big time, but meditation really helps. You can find lots of resources on YouTube. You can try that one. Just do it for 21 days, every single day, 10-15 minutes, and you will see dramatic change in your entire life. 21 days, guys. And another thing, we all think we're going to be so successful and so disciplined if in the morning or the nights before we list something like 25 activities I need to do the next day. We all have this feeling, especially in the evening when we're rushing things and we cannot handle and accomplish everything we're planning for that day. We're like, okay, tomorrow is a new day, let me list 20 things, and I promise to myself I'm gonna do all 20 of them right tomorrow. What usually happens in the morning? Guys, I don't know about you, maybe you're like super disciplined and super goal-oriented. I am lazy. When I'm waking up the next morning and when I see that bloody list of 20 things I need to accomplish during the day, first, I start procrastinating. I go to my Instagram, searching for some inspiration, what sort of reel or what sort of short video I need to film. And it goes all to my lunchtime, and then like again, 20 things I don't want to do it. I'm ending up doing nothing. Not liking myself, pushing everything to the next day. Honestly, like in few weeks time, I just realizing that maybe like if 5 of those 20 things are done, that's a good result. So my advice now, guys, do not plan more than 2-3 major tasks a day. Only 2-3 major tasks for the day, and start your day from making those tasks. If you need some inspiration, read Brian Tracy's book. It's called Eat That Frog. You need to start your day with finishing the ugliest, the most difficult, the most annoying task, but you just need to finish it and let it out of your system. So just plan 2-3 major tasks per day. When you accomplish them the first thing in the morning, the first thing you're starting your day, you will feel so much dopamine coming like all over your body. You feel so happy, you feel so accomplished, you feel so proud of yourself that automatically you will start completing some other tasks you did not even plan for the day. And this is the magic of it. Just make sure that those 2-3 tasks, first of all, they're major. They are money generating tasks, customer generating tasks, business generating tasks, self-improvement tasks, something what is the major thing for you at this moment of life. 2-3 per day, no more. Do not overcomplicate. From my own experience, 20 tasks you will never finish in a day. 2-3 tasks you will. And by the end of that week, those 20 tasks you were planning for the day, they will be accomplished. Surprise! And third point, my third insight, when you have this feeling of things going down, like you're depressed or you're close to burnout, usually you can spot it when you're waking up and you don't want to leave the bed and you're staying there scrolling your Instagram or any other social media. It's a sign that you're losing your motivation and you feel tired. The best thing here is your regime. Make sure that you're waking up at the same time every single day. It doesn't have to be 6 a.m. It doesn't have to be 7 a.m. But at least if it's like 9, if you're okay with that, if it's 9, but every single day, and you leave the bed right away. You have your favorite activities, my favorite activities planned for that part of the day. It helped me big time. During these 21 days, I was waking up at 9. Okay, I'm working from home. Okay, sometimes I'm staying till 2 in the morning. Anyway, I was waking up at 9. I was meditating right away. And after that, I was reading for 30 minutes. After that, I was having my coffee or something. And after that, I was starting those key 3 tasks I had to accomplish in a day. I was doing it for 27 days now. Guys, it changed my life like dramatically. So if you feel like a little bit depressed, if you feel you're down, if you feel that nothing makes you happy in this life and you don't want to leave the bed in the morning, just please, for the next 21 days, wake up at the same time. It can be 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., whatever works for you, okay? And you get up right away. You don't stay in bed. You don't scroll your social media. You go for a walk, if it's your favorite activity. You meditate, if this is your favorite activity, but you just do something. You can journal for 30 minutes. You can read your favorite book for 30 minutes. You can enjoy your favorite coffee while reading that book, but you're not staying in bed. That's the key thing. So a combination of waking up the same time every single day, doing 2 your favorite activities, meditation, reading, to start your morning, and after that, accomplishing 2 or 3 key tasks for the day, just carry on for 21 days. If it works, come back, thank me in the comments down below. If it doesn't work, also comment something. In 21 days, if it did not change your life, I will be so surprised, but please come back, let me know, and I will be happy to discuss your situation in private, in personal. By the way, if you want to approach me directly, all my contact details in the description to this video. Let me know if you like the sort of insights I'm sharing on my channel. I love you so much, guys. Enjoy your day, enjoy your week. I love you so much. Can't wait to see you in my next videos. Love you. Bye.